Hey guys, I'm Silverwolf and I have managed to get a new Cotton Candy Furby. This one came from Smyths Toys, where it is available to buy right now. I'm not sure in what other countries you can get it just yet. I thought it was coming out over here in August, but it seems to have come out at the end of July. I ordered this one yesterday and it's arrived today. But I'm actually posting this video on the Friday because on the Thursday a video went live, so I didn't really want to post two in one day. So on the day of this video is released, the Furby arrived yesterday. So the Cotton Candy Furby, we've got a nice picture of it on the box here. It seems to have sort of like little swirly patterns in its eyes, and it's all very pink and blue. The packaging is much like all the other Furby packaging, except in the correct colours for this particular Furby. There's a picture of a kid on the back with the Furby showing it off there, and all the different commands that you can give the Furby, which most of us already know, but you can read them on the screen if you like. It's dance, party, light, show, copycat, tell my fortune, and let's chill. And I'm reading those out for those with who don't see so well. And then this is what it has in it: Furby string comb, 12 clip beads, and a pizza charm. So let's open the Furby up. As always, the box is set up with the key, so you're kind of like unlocking its door. I kind of try to open the boxes a little bit carefully because I keep all of the boxes. You never know when they might come in handy. So just open slowly down there. And keep out Furby and Bestie only. Now the inside of the box appears to be like the inside of pretty much all the others. It's just the outside that they've changed the picture on. And pull this out. And here's the Furby in Furby's bedroom, as all of them arrive in. And you can see it's very, very soft looking. It's very pink. The blue is quite subtle. And then on the hair on its head, the blue is the main colour with kind of like purple going through it. And the ears are actually purple as well. And they have the same sparkle in them as well. I'll show you in a minute that the rainbow tie-dye Furby has. So we'll take this one and put it over there. Right, so we're going through all the usual thing of releasing Furby. Got those batteries and screwdriver. Get Furby out of here, it says on the box. So we've got the accessories. And I'll have to use my screwdriver to unscrew Furby. Top and bottom there. Hopefully that will be enough. It is not enough. There we go. And the bottom one. Like that. To release Furby. So before I switch Furby on and everything goes crazy, let's have a closer look. So as you can see, the faceplate there is all kind of sparkly, like the tie-dye one that they did. And it's got sparkles in its ears as well. And the feet aren't actually sparkly. Just normal purple plastic. And the heart gem's kind of sparkly as well. And actually, yes, the beak is sparkly too. I don't know if you can see it very well, but there are little sparkles on it as well. So let's put some batteries in Furby and start him up. Or her, or they. Don't know what gender you want it to be. Furby tends to go by day because I think it's kind of more versatile than having he or she. So put the screwdriver may not be the right size of the screws. And the bottom one. Just bring this over here because it's easier to do it closer to me than showing you on camera. There we go. Right. So I'll move the camera a bit closer so you can see Furby a bit better. There we go. go.
Fur, check. Feet, check. Ears, check. And check. Yep, Furby all here. Is Unai new bestie? Unai means you, by the way. Well, if we're new BFFs, we should talk. Ka, like the best listener. Oh, Ka mean I, by the way. If ever want to talk to Furby, all Unai gotta do is push Furby's heart gem and say, "Hey, Furby, go ahead, try."
Hey, Furby.
Oh, Furby, hear you. Now we best friends forever. Okay, bestie, let's play. Press heart gem and say, "Hey, Furby."
Hey, Furby.
Now say, "Dance party."
Dance party.
Hey, Furby. New la 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 la, everybody loves you, Furby. New la 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 la, no la 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 la. New la 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 la, everybody loves you, Furby. Hey, Furby, yeah, we love you. Hey, Furby, your dream come true. Hey, Furby, make it true. Everybody loves you, Furby. New la 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 la, no la 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 la. New la 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 la, everybody loves you, Furby. Patch Furby head for another song.
And we'll leave it at that so we can have a look at the accessories.
Oh, party over, Nula.
Sorry, Furby. So this is what Furby comes with. This little paper bag. Yes, you. Comes with the accessories inside and an instruction manual, as they all do, which shows you all the bits and pieces you need to know about how to look after Furby and all the things that it does. And it's got some cute little pictures there as well of little cartoon Furbies. Helpful hints, anatomy of Furby,
Furby loves snuggle.
Furby fashion guide, meet other friends, and Furbish dictionary. And then it tells you how to power Furby off and tips in troubleshooting. And then the accessories. Let's open this up.
You don't say.
Yes, I do so.
So exciting. Tell Furby.
Furby's very excited about his accessories. Right, so we've got the Furby comb. This one is purple. And on the back it says Furby, so you know who it belongs to. And the pizza charm to feed Furby.
Does Furby have booger? Tell truth.
And then you've got
I'm
this,
no longer hangry.
and you can't really see it very well. This one is blue and sparkly, which matches Furby's colour scheme.
Oh yeah, you
And then
betcha.
you've got all of these little charms and things like that
Yup, gotcha.
to put around Furby's neck and decorate the Furby's fur with.
Gotcha, Unai.
Like, for example, I'm going to put a star in Furby's hair, like that.
Pop quiz, Unai. Is hot dog
Yeah, so
sandwich?
there you go.
Hmm?
That's pretty much the new Furby colour.
Speak up,
The
Nula.
Cotton Candy Furby. With all his accessories and bits and pieces. I think my favourite of these accessories, and I may have said this before, is very definitely this one. If I can get the camera to focus on it. It's a little Furby bead. And it is a complete little Furby. I think that's probably the cutest bead. Definitely my favourite anyway.
Hot floor, hot floor.
So, I hope you've enjoyed watching this unboxing. You will see this Furby
talking to
popping up with
Furby?
all the others in the videos that I do. This one will be back.
Nula, so smart.
So, yeah, that's the latest colour. So now we have purple, coral,
Oh, yeah.
tie-dye. We've got the Galactic Furby, and we have this one. So that's
Good job.
5 Furbies to choose from. I still haven't got those 2 Furblets that I'm missing. I'm looking for them. I don't know, maybe Smyths Toys has them as well. Maybe I'll have a look and just see if they do. But until next time, you can check out more Furby videos by clicking on the boxes down below. You can check out my Etsy New Monday store. I do art and take commissions, or you can buy me a coffee on Ko-fi if you enjoy what I do. The link for all of that is in the description. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver, signing off.